So now we will talk about VFD error code E19 CPU communication error cause E19 fault cause a communication error from the control CPU and drive to other communication components. Okay, so what you can do, firstly, if it has happened, and normally it happened because of there could be like bug into firmware, or there could be like wire is not connected properly. So what you need to do, you can do power it on, like power off and power it on. If it occurs again, okay, so it's most of chances are like there could be the damage into your like VFD. So in that case, you need to replace that VFD or you need to repair. So what you can do, second thing, you can check like if you are using CPU from far from your VFD, you can check that cable if that cable is okay and all connectors are properly connected. Like it means all connectors are like normally visually looking like good. So there are more and more chances that like there is a damage into your VFD. So for that, what you need to do, you need to like you can write a mail to us for repair, or second, you can call to your person from whom you have purchased this one. So he will help you to repair this your VFD. Okay. If still your problem is not resolved, you can write a mail to us. I have mentioned here email ID. So I will provide you solution. Okay, and I will share you one PDF that is bit chargeable, but it will resolve your problem and it will help you to resolve your issue.